Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. In this video tutorial, we will discuss how to solve this initial value problem. That is y dash is equal to 2y minus 6 multiplied by y minus 1, and the initial condition is given that y0 is equal to 0. So from the initial guess, we can determine that this is a variable separable equation. So after separating the variables, means we can take these y to the left hand side and the remaining variable to the right hand side. So this will become 2y minus 6, this will become y minus 1, and here we can write this as dx. And if we will integrate both sides, then to integrate the LHS, we need to apply the partial fraction decomposition. So to apply the partial fraction decomposition, we have to write this equation here. This is 2. If we will take 2 common, this will become y minus 3 and this will become y minus 1. And if we will just take the 2 in the numerator, so it will become 1 by 2. And we can write this as a divided by y minus 3 plus b divided by y minus 1. If we will take the LCM, this is y minus 3, y minus 1 is equal to, if we will take the LCM, this will become y minus 3 multiplied by y minus 1. This a will be multiplied to y minus 1. And this b will be multiplied to y minus 3. Then we know that denominator will be cancelled out and we can equate the numerator. So from the numerator we can write this as 1 by 2 is equal to, this is a times y minus a plus b times y minus 3b. This is 1 by 2 is equal to, if we will take the y common, so we can write this as a plus b multiply by y, then plus minus a minus 3b. So we know that on the left hand side the coefficient of y is 0, so we can write this as a plus b is equal to 0. So from this equation we know that a is equal to minus b, and if we will equate the constant terms, then 1 by 2 is equal to minus a minus 3b. If we will put a is equal to minus b, then we can write this as b minus 3b is equal to 1 by 2. From here we can write minus 2b is equal to 1 by 2. And we know that the value of b is minus 1 divided by 4. So from here we have got the value of a and b. So a is minus times of b, so a is 1 by 4 and b is minus 1 by 4. So we can write this LHS here as the sum of two different expressions. Like this will become 1 divided by 4 y minus 3 plus minus 1 divided by 4 divided by y minus 1. And we have to integrate both expressions with respect to y. And on the right hand sides, we can write the integration of dx. So if we will integrate this, what we will get? So 1 by 4 we can take the common, so this will become ln mod of y minus 3 minus this is ln mod of y minus 1 is equal to x plus c. So if we will just use the property of ln, means ln a minus ln b will become ln a divided by b. So we can write this as mod of y minus 3 divided by y minus 1 is equal to x plus c. Correct? So if we will just multiply 4 to the right hand side, so this will become 4x plus 4c. So 4c will again become c. Means if we will multiply any number to a constant, then it will remain constant. So we can write this as c dash. Now we will apply the initial value, means y0 is equal to 0. So we will put x is equal to 0. We will put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in this given expression. So we will get ln, this will become mod of minus 3 divided by minus 1 is equal to, this will become 0 plus c dash. So value of c dash is ln 3. Correct? So if we will replace this c dash by ln 3 here, now if we will take this constant term to the left hand side, and we will again use the property of log. So what we will get? We will get ln y divided by 3 divided by 3y minus 3 is equal to 4x. And now from this expression we have removed the constant term. We will take the next page. So that was the expression was ln y minus 3 divided by 3y minus 3 is equal to 4x. So to find the expression in terms of y, we will use the property of log. So we can write this as y minus 3 divided by 3y minus 3 mod is equal to e to the power 4x. And if we will just remove this mod sign, then we have to take the plus and minus. So we have to take the plus and minus to the RHS. And now by performing the cross multiplication, we can write this as, so let's assume this value as p. So we can write this as 3yp minus 3p. So this will become y minus 3yp is equal to 3 minus 3p. We will take y common. This will become 1 minus 3p. And if we will take, so this will become 1 minus p. So y is equal to 3 times 1 minus p divided by 1 minus 3p. Now let's take p is equal to e to the power 4x first. So from here we can write this as y is equal to 1 minus e to the power 4x divided by 1 minus 3 e to the power 4x. Now we will check whether this equation will satisfy y0 is equal to 0. So if we will put 0 in place of x, so it will become 1 minus 1 0 and this will become 1 minus 3. So this equation is satisfying, means this is the correct solution. Now if we will take the p is equal to e to the power minus e to the power 4x, then what we can write y is equal to 3 multiplied by 1 plus e to the power 4x divided by 1 plus 3 e to the power 4x. And if we will put again y0 is equal to 0 in this expression, then we know that what we will get 3 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 3, which is not equal to 0, means this expression is wrong and this is the correct answer. So the correct solution of this differential equation is 1 minus e to the power 4x divided by 1 minus 3 e to the power 4x. So this is how we have solved this question thoroughly and with the steps followed. I hope you have learned through the better explanation of mine of this question. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel, comment on this video, and please share this solution with your friends so that they can also get benefit from it. Thank you very much.